Got our teacher bag, got our Office Max bags. Happy Wednesday, let's do this. We are not doing anything in here today, happy as it is for now, but we are gonna do our little selfie of the day. Hey friends, happy Wednesday. I'd tell you the date, but I forgot my watch. We have Miracle League tonight, which is so exciting. Miracle League is an adaptive baseball league for anybody ages 4 to 21. It's wonderful, and the field is accessible too, so it's not like grass and dirt. It's all just like that bouncy kind of AstroTurf sort of stuff. It's wonderful, great for wheelchairs.
We've never had a player turn them on, but what better time than the present?
So yes, Miracle League tonight, Nike shorts that I probably got at Ross, and these cute shoes. They're rainbow holographic. They're the Fila brand that I got for Ross for $25. They're so cute. I looked online though and couldn't find them anywhere but Poshmark, so bummer. Check out Ross though if you like holographic shoes. The plan today is to finish those file cabinets. I'm hoping I can get out of here at a decent time because it goes much quicker now that I'm doing binder clips and I'm not having to punch it and ring it like the bigger books, but we shall see. Okie dokie, here is our before. I think I will set up the camera and I'll do a little fast forward, but I don't know how many sets of fast forwards we will do, considering that this isn't all the books, that there's still more in that filing cabinet. But we can do this. We can do hard things. I realized that unlike the rest of the drawers, blue, red, and green seemed to all be just a mix of mess in the middle. Orange was just combined to these two drawers. Unfortunately, they were all out of order, but at least it was the same color. So I decided that this is what I'm going to do with all of the drawers. I won't do that with red because red, I literally just pick one and I'll keep it. And then if we have time that day, we'll work on the book, or if a group mate is gone, that's the book we'll read, and then that next day we would just do a different book. Like, it doesn't matter what the theme is. Whereas like LLI orange, if we're doing, you can see the bins up there, some of my Made For Me literacy bins are up there. If we're doing spring animals, maybe I want to read the baby animal book. So I don't care about like the level, like the guided reading level. I purely care about what the title is and what the book is about. I'm organizing these in the sequence that the company recommends, but I'm not necessarily doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm worried about the title of the book because orange is A, B, C, and I believe green is like A through J, and I think blue is like C through I, something like that. So a lot of the levels intermix. So some of my students in the past, I have followed the scope and sequence. We would do all of orange, we would start in green, we'd get to maybe about like level F, and then I would hop over to blue because GHI is really hard for my students for some reason. So anyways, this is what I've decided I'm doing. So I colored orange Sharpie on the clamp, and then I'm gonna go through and do silver Sharpie for the number. That way, when I'm putting these in, I can figure out, you know, what the number and what the order is. As I've been going through these, there's so many. We're like, we had a unique learning system book, and it was literally the entire unit, the entire month long, was about the sky and the sun, and how great would that book be? So this year, as I'm going through and reading the books, I'm going to make a big list of, like, this is all the books for LLI orange, and this is all the books for LLI green, this is the books for LLI blue, and then I'm going to have different units and months and subjects that the books would go with. That way, when I'm looking for a book, I'm not over here just randomly looking for a cabinet. You know, if it's like the middle of spring, maybe we'll read that book, and maybe we'll read that book. Made For Me literacy, they have a unit on the 5 senses. We'd read that book. So not only things that go with like Made For Me literacy, things that go with the unique learning system, but also just like randomly like, hey, it's the first day of school, let's read fun at school. Okay, here we go. There's definitely a couple missing here and there. So my plan now is to just go around with my box of binder clips, clip all my little book piles together.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I can't hope for, baby. I was hoping maybe.
Okay, I have the vast majority of the books clipped. I'm gonna run down and grab my green and my blue Sharpie. I'm just gonna sit and color the color on the spines and then work on putting the books in, and I'll put the number on it as I put it in. I think, will get this done today. How fitting that one of the LLI rent books I couldn't find was about a disappearing box. Funny.
Would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know. Can we trust the stars about to let us know? I'd go. Whoa.
The silver Sharpie gave out. I was quite worried, but I had an extra. Thank goodness, because we are almost done. Did you know that if you write 38 instead of 33, you can use dry erase board marker, go over the top of it and erase it, and it's magical? I'm gonna show you, but I need to find a marker first. Dry erase marker. Voila! Our finished product for the filing cabinets. The rest of the room, still a work in progress. We will come back to that another day. So these are actually what I use for like that first week of school handwriting practice, just to see where the kids' pre-writing skills are. A lot of these books still have the gray copies, which the kids can take home. So eventually this will be down enough that it can fit either in this cabinet or in this one. I really haven't decided. These are just extra little handwriting books. And then here's green. So again, it doesn't quite fit because there's a lot of the gray extra copies, but eventually I should be able to fit it in like it used to be. So again, red, higher levels, no gray copies, just bind a ring together. Beautiful. And then at the back of this, we have some extra writing books. We did it. It was a lot of work, but it'll be worth it when the beginning of the year comes and I can come back here and find the books we need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.